Welcome, here I've got HOMTOM S9 Plus and I'm gonna show you how to change aspect ratio in the camera app at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. From here let's go to the left corner at the bottom. When we pick this button we get access to advanced camera options. Now let's focus on this settings bar. We are from the left in general settings. Let's move to the center to the photo settings. Now let's slide a little bit and pick the preview size. Here we can manage aspect ratio. We are in standard 4:3. Let's pick full screen. And as you can see, the background has changed to the full one, so this is how it works. Another tab to preview size and we can go back to standard 4:3. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.